Yeah, children. So applications of trigonometry. Yesterday we have discussed 1 to 5 sums. Okay. Today we will discuss 6 to 11 sums. Okay. First sixth sum, children. Open your textbook, children. Sixth sum. 9.1 exercise. Sixth sum. A 1.5-meter tall boy. Children, till now in any sums they were not giving the height of a person. Directly we were taking from the ground as an angle of elevation. Now they have told a 1.5 tall meter boy means we have to take this as 1.5 meter tall boy. The boy is this much. Okay. Now a 1.5-meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meters tall building. He is seeing a 30-meter tall building. This fellow is seeing a 30-meter tall building, children. Okay. The angles of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases 30 to 60 as he walks towards the building. So, children, when he's seeing here, okay, children, I'm drawing one more line, children, parallel to the ground. When he's seeing from here, he is 30 degrees. Children, when you are far, your angle will be less. When you are far, when you are very far, just if you raise the head, you can see the building. But when you come here, you have to raise more. Means this fellow, he came here, children. He walked some distance. Again, after coming here, he saw it again. Now he has to raise his head more. Now it is 60 degrees. Now it is 60 degrees. So what is the question? Question is, find the distance he walked. How much distance he walked with x? Okay, those who didn't understand. Children, the full sum in the trigonometry applications lies in the figure only, children. Those who can draw figures only, they will only survive. Those who can't draw figures, they will say applications is very tough. How to draw the figures is very, very important. For that basic thing, you should know English. If you are good at English and if you can analyze the situation, then you can draw the figure. Without drawing the figure, you can't do any sum in the figure lesson. Figure is very important. First, that fellow is from here, building is here. He is seeing, eyes means here, so it will be not on the legs. Okay. So when he see here, he is seeing at 30 degrees. This is the parallel line with the base. Again, he walks this much he is walking, and again he is seeing. Now it is 60 degrees. If this is x, if this is y, he is asking how much distance did he walk. See, children, in the sum A, B, C, D, 90, 90. Don't forget to put 90 degrees. Okay. First, there are two triangles. One is small triangle ABD, and there is big triangle ABC. But these two triangles, if you do the sum, it is over, children. In 30, let me remove 1.5. This will become how much till here?
28.5.
28.5. From 30, remove this 1.5. This is waste, children. This is waste. This is waste. You don't draw in this in board exam. In exams, you don't draw, just I'm drawing. So this height I am removing. Now I have to consider this much. Okay. Now this is 30 meters, of course. Now in ABD, this is ABD. Okay, children, this is okay. Tan, this is opposite. This is adjacent. If this is y, this is also y. If this is x, this is also x. Okay, children. I think I confused you by drawing all these things. Okay. Let's see here, children. If this is y, this is also y. This is x, this is also x. In ABD, this triangle, this is tan 60. Tan 60 is opposite by adjacent. Tan 60 is root 3. What is opposite, children?
28.5.
What is adjacent, children?
5.
Now, children, in big triangle ABC, tan 30. Tan 30 is same, opposite by adjacent. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. From here, what is opposite, children?
28.5.
And what is adjacent?
X plus y.
Very good. Adjacent is still here, children. X plus y. X plus y. If you can write this two equations, then it is over. Happy. First, I have taken small triangle. Then I have taken big triangle. First, I have taken small triangle. Then I have taken big triangle here. Okay, children. So y comes here. Root 3 goes down. Y is equal to 28.5 by root 3. Okay. This goes here, root 3 comes here, cross multiplication, x plus y is equal to 28.5 root 3. I hope you are convinced. Now go for rationalization, children. Root 3 and root 3. Y is equal to 28.5 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 nines are 27, 9.5. So y is equal to 9.5 root 3. But we don't want y, children, we want x. Substitute this here, children. When you substitute this here, what happens? X plus 9.5 root 3 is equal to 28.5 root 3. Okay, children? So we want x only, no, children. So this, if you bring x is equal to 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3. X is equal to 28.5
19 root 3.
19 root 3.
very good, 19 root 3. So children, x is equal to 1.732 into 19. You do how much you get, children? That much meters he walked towards building. Like this you should do. So children, your entire, if you can draw the figure, 80% sum is done. If you can write these two equations, 95% is done. It's all things anyone can do. 80%, 10%. Remaining 10% is this figure only 80%. How you can draw the figure? If you can draw that figure over, means you understood the sum. That's all. That's why, children. So you should be very careful, children. You have to practice so many sums, children. What is given in textbook 16, 17 sums? If you do and some examples, if you do, you will not get, children. At least 60, 70 sums you have to do. Of course, I will give in the form of worksheet within 2-3 days, children. Don't worry. All figures, how to draw everything, I will tell children because I don't have internet. I'm saying slowly. This is 6 sum, children. Okay.
Sir, is answer 32.737?
Maybe multiplication only, no? You can do 7 sum. All of you please check 7 sum. Please check 7 sum, children. From a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of bottom and top of transmission tower fixed at the top of 20-meter height building. Children, there is a building. On this building, there is one transmission tower. Okay. One fellow, once he's seeing the top of the building, once he's seeing the top of transmission tower from the same place. Okay, children. So what is happening? From a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of bottom and top of the transmission this is 20-meter height building, children, and is how much? 45 and 60 degrees. Next, when he's seeing the base of the transmission tower, he's able to see at 45 degrees. When he wants to see the top of transmission tower, he's seeing at 60 degrees, children. Okay. If you are getting confusion with this figure, I will draw like this, children, so that you will never have any confusion. Like this, okay. This is building 20 meter. This is base of transmission tower. This is top of transmission tower. This is 45 degrees. This is 60 degrees, and this is 90. A, B, C, D. Question is, what is the height of the transmission tower? That's all. Again, children, there are two triangles in this. One is A, B, C, big triangle, and another one is D, B, C, small triangle. Okay, children. A, B, C. In A, B, C, tan 60 we should take. Tan 60 is equal to how much? Tan 60 is for opposite is how much? H plus 20. Opposite is H plus 20. H plus for tan 60 full. Imagine this middle one is not there. Imagine middle one is not there. Now you understood, actually. Tan 60 opposite is H plus 20 and base let us take as Y. Okay, B base B. Okay, Y. Okay, children. Now for small triangle, what is a small triangle? This much is the small triangle. This is 45 degrees. For small triangle, tan 45 degrees is anyone? Tan 45 is how much, children? Anyone?
20 by B.
20 by B.
20 by B. Very good, children. Very good. Okay. So children, tan 45 is 1, 20 by B. So B comes here. B is equal to 20. The distance between the person and the building is 20 meters, but that is not the question they asked. They asked height. Let's substitute this 20 here.
Is equal to
Let's substitute this 20 here, children. Tan 60 is
root 3.
H plus
H plus
20 by 20.
20.
Because B is 20. 20 goes here.
20
root
root
3 is equals to
No, no, 1 second. I will say h plus 20. Now mute your audio sum and making distance. This 20 comes here, children. H is equal to 20 root 3 minus 20. Okay, children? So h is equal to 20 into root 3 minus 1. Okay, children? Now, some people will say this is the answer. No, children, you have to simplify. 20 into 1.732 minus 1, 20 into 0.732. Okay, 2 to the 4 to the 6 to the 14, 14.64 meters is height of transmission tower. If you don't write statement, 2 marks cut. If you don't write units, 2 marks cut. No one. And draw figures with scale and pencil. Okay, and compulsory put 90 degrees. If you don't put 90 degrees also, anything you don't put 90, 2 marks cut. So two triangles are taken. One is the big triangle, one is the small triangle. Big triangle, small triangle. How to analyze big triangle and small triangle? It all lies in your list. This is how seventh sum is done, children. I hope you all understood. Now go to eighth sum, children. Eighth sum is also same, but upper one height you will give. This he will give, this he will ask, children. I think it is same. Once go to eighth sum over here. Eighth sum over here. Please go to eighth sum. Same children, same figure, but then upper height is given. This one we have to find out. Same figure. Eighth sum, children. Please check it. Children, this is a sum. A 1.6 meter tall statue. This is a statue. 1.6 meter tall statue is there on a pedestal. Pedestal means some sort of a stand made of rocks, cuboid, children. Okay, you have to find out the height of the pedestal. So angle of elevation on top of statue is 60 degrees. Top of statue is 60 degrees, and base of statue is 45 degrees. Same sum, I told you, children, same sum. But this one you have to find out. So A, B, 90, C. The big triangle is what, children? ABC. Small triangle is what, children? DBC. Very good. Okay. So see here, tan 60. Tan 60 means imagine this line is not there. Imagine this line is not there. Can anyone say what is tan 60, children?
Root 3.
Can anyone say tan 60 is how much?
Root 3.
Opposite.
H plus 1.6 by B.
1.6 plus h by b. Okay, and for small triangle BBC, this is 45 degrees. For small triangle, tan 45 degrees. Can anyone say tan 45 is how much, children? For
H by B.
h by b.
H by b, amma. 1 is equal to h by b. Okay, with your audio, amma. Tan 45 is 1. B comes here. H is equal to b. Now we have, they are asking h. They are asking h. Let us put b also as h because both are equal. They are asking h no, children. Let us put h and b are equal. B also as h. No, sir, I want b means put h as b. Your wish. So children, I am putting b as h. So root 3 is equal to 1.6 plus h. B also I am putting as h. This will go over here. Root 3 h is equal to 1.6 plus h. This comes here. Root 3 h minus h is equal to 1.6. H common. Root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. This comes down. H is equal to 1.6 by root 3 minus 1. Rationalize. How do you rationalize? Root 3 plus
Root 3 plus
by root 3 plus 1. Okay, children? So h is equal to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 by a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. Root 3 whole square minus 1 square. So h is equal to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 is 2. H is equal to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1. Okay, children? So h is equal to 0.8 into root 3 is how much? 1.732 plus 1. H is equal to 0.8 into 2.732. H is equal to into the 16, 24, 25, 26, 28 into the 16, 21. Okay? H is coming 1, 2, 3, 4. 2.1856 meters is height of pedestal. Pedestal is a big stand made up of concrete. Okay, this is how we are going to do this. Some people will say this only as answer, children. Please, you have to simplify, children, for the number side. So So one big triangle I have taken and one small triangle I have taken. This is how sum is done. This is the height of the pedestal. If someone asks you base, how much is the distance between the person and the base means height and base are same. Base is also same. 2.1856 meters is the distance between the person and the building. Anything is same. Okay, sure. So next one. Eighth one is over, children. Next, ninth sum. I hope you are able to understand, children. Practice each some 3 times, children. First day, just for practice, for getting experience with the sums, you practice, children. 3 times. Later, you will do so many sums, children. Just waiting for the internet to come, children. That's all. Ninth sum. Once internet comes, over. The angle of elevation of top of building from the foot of the tower, children. One building is there, one tower is there. One building is there, one tower is there. Which is bigger? How to identify? The angle of elevation of top of building from the foot of tower is 30 degrees. This is tower. This is building. Which is bigger? I will decide. From top base of the tower, if building is seen, this is 30 degrees. And top of building from foot of tower is 30 degrees. And angle of elevation of top of tower from the foot of building is 60 degrees. This fellow has to raise his head more, so tower is only bigger. 60 degrees, children. If the tower is 50 meters height, find the height of the building. Tower is 50 meters height, find the height of the building. Height you should find out. This is base. Okay, children? A, B, C, D. How to do the sum, children? It's very easy, children. Forget this triangle, children. In this triangle, first find base. In this triangle, A, B, C, find base. That base you substitute here and find the side over. Are you comfortable, children? You are able to understand? Forget about this BBC triangle is only not there. Imagine. In ABC, using 55 base. After getting this base, using this base, find the side over. That's all. Anyway, children, we'll do some. ABC, DBC. Okay, children? So, in ABC, can anyone say what is tan 60, children? Can anyone say?
50 by B.
Very good, Nana. 50 by B. In DBC, can anyone say what is tan 30, children? Tan 30?
H by B.
By B.
H by B. Very good, children. Please, Nana, everyone should involve. Okay, so tan 60 means root 3, children. 50 by B. B comes here, root 3 goes there. B is equal to 50 by root 3. Over. Substitute this B here, you will get the answer. So H is equal to B tan 30. Okay. H is equal to B is how much we got, children? 50 by root 3. Tan 30 is how much, children? 1 by root 3. 50 by 3. 60.67. 316 48. 36 18. Yeah, 16.66. So 16.67 meters is the height of building. Over. In this triangle, I found out the base. That base I substituted here. In this triangle, I found out the base. That base I substituted and found out the height. Now let's go to 10th sum. I told the children all your intelligence lies in drawing diagram. If you know the diagram, over. Sum is over. Many people I will be see hearing, I am not able to understand diagrams. I am not able to understand how to draw diagrams. Why? Because they don't practice when they are. They don't practice. Only before exam day they start practicing. Before exam day, a lot of tension will be there. In that tension, whether to read science or whether to read maths or how many sums we have to do, all these sums, seeing all these sums, you get the exhaustion and you will see confusion. Daily, if you practice, before exam day, happily just one small revision. If you give it is enough. No, we won't do that. It is common. So, children, 10th sum. Let's go to 10th sum. So, coming to 10th sum, children. 10th sum. Two poles of equal heights. Children, there are two poles of equal heights. This is H, this is H. Poles means 90 degrees, okay? Two poles of equal height are standing opposite each other on either side of the what, children? Either side of the road.
Road.
Which is 80 meters wide. This is 80 meters wide. 80 meter wide. Okay. From point between them, not in the middle, children, somewhere in between, not in the middle. The angles of elevation are 60 and 30. Whichever is 60, that will be near. because from near means we have to bend. Whichever is far, that will be less, children. Okay, so now what is the question? He's asking find the heights and distances. Let me say this is x, let me say this is y. Okay, children, let me put A, B, C, D, E. Small triangle is AB, big triangle is BCE. Okay, children. So, in ABE, can anyone say tan 60 is how much?
Height.
H by X.
H by
Okay, children, what I will do? If this is x, this I will take as 80 minus x, children.
80 minus 6.
If this is x, this I will take as 80 minus 6. Okay, children. So tan 60 is h by
H by X.
Can anyone say tan 30, children?
H by 80
H
minus
by
X.
80
80
minus
minus
x.
x.
Very good, children. This is root 3. H by x. This is 1 by root 3. H by 80 minus x. Okay? Okay, children. H is equal to root 3x. Cross multiplication. 80 minus x is equal to root 3h. This h I will substitute here. One equation, two equations, substitute 1 into. Put h here, children. 80 minus x is equal to root 3 into root 3x. 80 minus x is equal to 3x. X come here. 80 is equal to 4x. X is equal to 20 meters. Children, this is 20. If this is 20, this will be how much?
60 meters.
That so one is 20 and another one is 60. We got happy. Now height. H is equal to root 3x. Root 3 into 60. 1.732 into 60. 6 to 12, 6 to 18, 42, 43, 10. How much, children? 0. So 3. 103.92 meters is the height of each pole. Okay, 103.92 meters is height of each pole. Both are same. Okay, children. So this x how much I got? 20. No, that 20 I substituted here. X how much I got? 20. That 20 I substituted here. Okay. So this is 20 means this is 60. This is how 10 sum is done. Okay, one more sum we will do, children. 11 sum and we'll stop for today. Remaining sums we will do tomorrow. Why means it? Remaining sums are very, very big sums, children. If I say today only, you'll get confusion. So that's why I'm bringing for tomorrow. You have to practice all the sums each 2 times or 3 times, children. Then only you will understand how diagrams are done. If you don't understand how I'm drawing the diagrams, children, it will become very difficult before exam day. Please, I have to practice. 11 sum figure is only given already. A TV tower is there, children. One fell. Okay, this is the river. This is some river is there. This is the TV tower. One fellow is seen from here, 60 degrees. Then he walked back 20 meters. He went back and he saw again. Now it is 30 degrees. Question is find the height of the TV tower and what is the distance of the river or water or whatever. Find height. Find the height of the tower and width of the canal. Height of the tower and width of the canal. Very, very easy sum, children. A, B, C, D. Okay, children. Can anyone say ABC, children?
H by 20 meters.
Tan 60 is H by
20 plus
20
X.
plus X.
20 plus x.
no H by X. Tan 60 is. Okay. I'm sorry.
Sir, ABC.
ABC means tan 30, no, children. ABC means tan 30. H by 20 plus
20
X.
plus X.
And tan 60 is how much, children? Tan 60
H by X.
H by
X.
h by x.
H by X. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to H by 20 plus X. Root 3 is equal to H by X. This comes here. H is equal to root 3x. This I will put here. First, let me do cross multiplication. 20 plus x is equal to root 3h. H you substitute here, children. 20 plus x is equal to root 3 into root 3x because this h is root 3x. No? So 20 plus x is how much, children? 3x. X comes here. 20 is equal to 2x. X is equal to 10 meters is
10
the
meters.
canal distance, width of the canal. Now height how much we got? Root 3x. So 1.732 into 10. So 70.32 meters is height of TV tower or whatever TV. That is how we are going to do the sum. Very interesting sums, no children. I hope you are enjoying. If you are not enjoying, you have to practice. If you are enjoying independence, you do some more sums. Need some 3 times practice and send these homework, children. For today, it's enough, children. Remaining sums I will return tomorrow. And also, please learn the cleaning action of soap also, which I discussed in the science. Thank you so much. Anyone have any doubts in this? You can ask.